Now we are moving towards our next ceremony, that is DSC scholarship. In order to felicitate the contribution of our beloved Varya ma'am in field of education, we are presenting late Mrs. D.S. Varya scholarship in fond memory of our beloved Varya ma'am, since she had been a teacher herself for the subject of English and social science. We have decided to honor student scoring top marks in respective subject and also to motivate such students who have shown drastic improvement in academics. Scholarship amount 1000 rupees per child and total 27 students of primary section. Vishal sir, kindly help our guests to come upon the stage to appreciate our students. Please guests, come upon the stage. Vishal sir, kindly help our students, help our guests to come up on the stage.
We have our guest, Shri Bijal Harkhani ma'am and Archana ma'am from Special Educator Genius, Super Kids Rajkot. We welcomes you, ma'am.
Now we are declaring the names of students. Please come on the stage along with your parents. Round 1 for English subject. Mehta Nirbhaya, Joshi Yatharth, Shah Heer 3rd B, Ditroja Harsh, Chauhan Aditya. I am declaring the names of round 1. Mehta Nirbhaya 1st B, Joshi Yatharth 2nd B, Shahir 3rd B, Ditroja Harsh 4th B, and Chauhan Aditya 5th B. Now I am declaring the names of students of round 2. Makwana Yashvi 1st B, Golatar Manav 2nd B, Chudasma Durajsi 3rd B, Khatri Darshi 4th B, Sankalya Mahi 5th B. All these students are for better improvement.
Now I am declaring the name of round 3, which students are getting better improvement in English subject. Round 3 for English subject, Nadia Paranavya from 1st A, Gandhi Pahal from standard 2nd A1, Sabbu Dhaval from 2nd A2, Raninga Harshi from 3rd A, Bashia Nisha from 4th A, Zala Bhumiba from 5th A.
Parents, please be ready to come on the stage.
Round 3, Nadia Paranavya standard 1st A, Gandhi Pahal standard 2nd A1, Shabbu Dhaval from 2nd A2, Raninga Harshi from 3rd A, Bashia Nisha from 4th A, Zala Bhumiba from 5th A. Round 4. Now I am declaring the name of the students for better improvement. Brahmani Vivansh from 1st A, Jadeja Vishwaba from 2nd A1, Prasad Srushti from 2nd A2, Chorala Kaushali from 3rd A, Dani Dharya Rajan from 4th A, Vaya Aryan from 5th A. Round 4, Brahmani Vivansh 1st A, Jadeja Vishwaba 2nd A1, Prasad Srushti 2nd A2, Chorala Kaushali 3rd A, Dani Dharya Rajan 4th A, Vaya Aryan, 5th A.
Parents, go through your right side. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, guests. Kindly take your seat, please.